Hi guys, Hackerkid here, and in today's video we're gonna be making a space game, and in which we're gonna have a spaceship going through space dodging some asteroids. It's very simple to make and it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. So I don't need the card sprite, so I'm gonna delete it, and I'm gonna go to choose a sprite. Go ahead and choose spaceship. So yep, there it is. We're gonna go to costumes, delete all the other ones because I don't want this to be that complicated. We're gonna choose this whole thing and 90-degree rotate it, or anything about 90 degrees. And now I'm gonna go code. We're gonna reduce its size to 50 because it's way too big. Here is about fine. So we'll go to when flag clicked, and we're going to go to costumes again. Another costume we're going to paint this time, and we're going to say game over. Make it damn big. Okay. So when flag clicked, we wanted to switch costume to rocket ship A. Yep. So after that we're gonna make a variable and we'll call it score, and one more called health. Then we're gonna go ahead and say go to this position. So now I'm gonna say set health to 100 and duplicate this, set score to 0. Okay, so that's basic. Now we're gonna move the spaceship up and down. So for that we'll go here, when space key pressed, we'll click W because I'm using WASD. You can use the arrow keys if you want. So I'll click W and it should go up by like, let's say 2y, and right now if I press W, the movement is abrupt. It's like teleports. So I'm gonna put a repeat over here. I'm gonna put repeat 5 times, then it actually takes a bit buffer. So yeah, now I think that's fine. So we'll duplicate this. Instead of W, we'll click S and repeat 5 minus 2. Yeah, now you can see. Yeah, so we're done with this for now. Next up, we're gonna make our space thing. So we're gonna choose a background. We're gonna go to space. You can choose galaxy or nebula, but since their edges are very abrupt, they don't match together when I put two. So I'll choose stars because it's a lot easier to make. We're just gonna choose a random sprite, let's say basketball. Go to stage, drag this. We're gonna make sure it hovers over the basketball till the basketball shakes a little bit. And then we're gonna leave it. Then we're going to go to basketball and the backdrop is here. Now we'll delete it. And now we'll name the stars. And we don't need this stars backdrop anymore. So we'll go to this backdrop and let's say go to 0, 0. And after that, what we want to do is so now we have this, and after this what we want to do is when flag clicked with zoom, and we want us to go to 0, 0 coordinates, and then we're going to take a forever and move minus 2 steps. Move minus 2 steps, and we're going to take an if. So if x position is less than, let's see how much it can actually go. So we want this to go to the absolute edge so that we can determine how much it'll go back, so that we can move this to the front again. So it goes to till here. So I'll just duplicate and paste it over here. And okay, I can't have this because it's now the X position is equal to this, since it can't go any higher than this. So we're going to make it one less. So let's say minus 464, and then now we have the position. Now we're going to go to take this and we're going to delete the minus. So now it should work. Yep, it's working. So I'll duplicate this, and instead of this starting from 0 0, I'm gonna make it start from the place where it's ending. So yeah, now it's a complete loop. So we're gonna stop it. We're done with the background for now, and now what we're gonna do is we'll go here and say in looks, go to front layer. Since if we mistakenly click on this, then we'll go back. So yeah, when we click flag, it'll come over here, and now we're gonna choose a sprite. Rock, maybe? Yeah, rock. So now we have Dwayne The Rock Johnson here. Yep, and what we want to do next is we'll make it size 150. I want a big rock to come out of here. So I'll drag it to the very edge. Yeah. So now we'll say when flag clicked, we want it to set score to 0, just in case. So after that, we're gonna go to forever and go to this place. We want it to hide. We want it to wait for an undetermined time, not 1 second. So we're going to go to operators, pick random 1 to 10 seconds, and we want this cooldown to be a bit longer than that, 1 to 20 seconds, and then we want it to show, and then again a forever, and then change X by -2, and we want it to turn by, like, let's say 3 degrees. Yeah, that's fine. And then we're gonna take an if again. No, not again, this is the first time. We're gonna take an if, and same thing we did here. So we can duplicate this and take it there. Oops. Oh well, it didn't come here. So yeah, now we're gonna go here to operators, take this greater than, and then we're gonna go to X position again, same thing. And here we want it to be, let's see. Oops. Oh, and one more thing, we need to go to costumes of Dwayne The Rock, and we want it to center. So now it will rotate from the middle. And now we'll set this 1 to 1 so it instantly comes. Yeah. Let's see how far it can actually go back. Yeah, so right there, I want it to disappear. So this is the coordinates. Yep. not 1, let's say 0, just to be safe. So then we want it, we're gonna duplicate this, delete all of this. We want this to go here and then change score by 1. Change score by 1. And then again we're gonna go and wait, pick random seconds, 1 to 20. So now our Giga Rock should work. Now I'm gonna name this Rock. We're gonna duplicate this and name it Rock, just a normal one since it will be like 50 size. And same thing, except we're gonna change its speed to, instead of -2, we're gonna make it -5 since it's a smaller rock. And let's see if it works. Oops! We need to make this also go to front layer since I just saw how it works. Here to go to front layer. Yeah, so now the smaller rock, on the other hand, it only goes till like here. So here I'm gonna type this, not 58, 57 to be safe. And I think that's enough. Yeah. And as you can see, when I'm clicking this, it goes here and it comes at the same place again. So I don't want that to happen, so I'm gonna pick random again. And X position we're gonna pick random. No wait, not X. Y position we're gonna pick random. Let's say how much? So -188 to 185. And Giga Rock, we want it to go from -139 to 142. And instead of 1 to 1, we're going to put 20 again. And over here, we want the cooldown to only be like 1 to 10 seconds. We're going to duplicate the rock again. And now it should be working. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in the next part, we're going to cover how to add the score, health and lots of other stuff. So stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.